Dude, what are you doing this weekend? I just heard about this event called the Gambler 500. The goal is to only spend $500 on a car and build it out so it can tackle hundreds of miles over all different types of terrain. People have cars ranging from an old Cherokee to a beat-up Cavalier to even a tiny smart car. It's the most wild, exciting, and fantastic thing I've ever heard of. Everyone I have talked to is super nice, and it seems like it's all about having a good time. We definitely need to check this thing out. Let's leave bright and early in the morning.
We don't know where we're going. Load up.
Yeah, we should go.
That's what I've been trying to say.
What happened?
That's it. That's all I can do. We'll see what I can come up with. I don't know.
For like 3 months, I went down there and talked to him, said somebody he had just changed the engine. They never showed up to pay the rest, and I paid the difference. It's got 33,000 miles on it.
Crazy weekend. I can't wait for the Redemption Rally in March or even the national event out in Oregon. It's going to be awesome.